Welcome to the Product Management View webinar series. I'm Susanna Baum from FeaturePlan, one of the sponsors of this webinar, and I'll be your moderator today. I am happy to introduce to you Russell Foy, who will be talking to you about building communities to drive demand. The creation of community-based blogs, websites, and webinars are expensive initiatives, and many question the true value for an organization to make these marketing investments. Why invest your limited resources and marketing budget on an activity that does not directly create product awareness or sales? The Product Management View blog and webinar series is approaching its second anniversary, and in this webinar, Russell will share the original justification for the launch, the cost to maintain it, technology used, and the value behind increasing spending on activities that do not directly promote the company or product. Russell Foy is the VP of Sales and Marketing at Ryma Technology Solutions, the creator of FeaturePlan, the requirements management tool for software product management, and the sponsor of this webinar series. At Ryma, he drives marketing and sales strategy and the profitable growth of FeaturePlan, launching out-of-the-box initiatives and growing product awareness, lead generation, and sales exponentially as a result. He has over 20 years of professional experience in sales and marketing with a focus on the technology industries at such companies as Invidex, Newbridge, EDS, and JCI Entertainment. And he is very happy to have the opportunity to speak to you today. And so to talk to you about building communities to drive demand, I am very happy to introduce Russell Foy. The floor is yours, Russell.
Thanks, Susanna. And I'd first like to say thanks. I get a lot of credit. People see my name on the Product Management View and the emails that go out there, but I would like to take this time to thank Susanna. Susanna is actually the person behind the Product Management View and manages the marketing team that makes this all happen. I just somehow was able to get all the credit for everything. So thanks to Susanna and her team. Also, the Product Management View has been continuously increasing in success, and I'd like to thank all the participants today, past participants, and the contributions from the blog entries and the webinar speakers in the past that have helped make this successful. I've often been approached and asked where we came up with the idea for the Product Management View and how it's working for us, and that's what I'm going to spend the next 15, 20 minutes sharing some of our experiences. I'm going to first go through the original business challenge and why we made the decision to launch the Product Management View, how we built it, how we're measuring our success, things that we might do differently if we were doing it again today, and recommendations to others in terms of if you're planning to launch one and some of the suggestions we might provide. The original business challenge, our feature plan is technology focused to helping product management teams. And 2 years ago, and even now today, most product management teams within software high-tech companies use the Microsoft Office suite of products to gather their information and, for example, enhancement requests. They'll put it all into an Excel spreadsheet. They'll analyze that and then write their business requirements, their specifications, their market requirements documents in Word or PowerPoint, and they use the Office suite. And tools for the product management teams are not commonly used. So it's an emerging space. And with that, it creates a lengthy sales process to help educate not only the product management teams. Product managers see FeaturePlan, they immediately like it, they see it will help them, but they have challenges in terms of securing the funds and the budgets to actually implement something. And as a result, finding channels was not really a readily available option for us. One option we had was to try to go out there and try to educate the industry, the software companies, in terms of the value of making a larger investment in your product management team and the value of that to the organization, which is a very expensive initiative and something that was not really available to us. We needed to create awareness of the market need, the problem, and a way of profiling product management teams that implemented a process or a tool and share that success. The traditional marketing efforts that we were doing were not producing enough direct leads for the sales team, and we needed to investigate or find something new. And our SEO ratings were too low, and we wanted a way to increase that. So all of that, in terms of the need, generated the interest in creating a community